Here are a few technical specifications of the ZS EV. First up, it comes with a 50.3 kWh lithium ion battery pack under the floor. It has a 461 km claimed range. It can be charged by both AC 7.4 kWh chargers as well as DC 50 kWh chargers. The former taking about 8.5-9 hours to give a full charge, while the latter gives about 80% in 1 hour. Now, this battery powers a single motor that is mounted on the front axle. This electric motor makes 176 horsepower and 280 newton meters of torque, and there are disc brakes in the front and rear. Now, if you're talking about dimensions, this car measures in at 4.3 meters in length, 1.8 meters in width, and 1.65 meters in height. It has a wheelbase of 2585 mm and it rides on 17-inch alloy wheels. Other things to note, it is really well equipped in terms of features. It has level 2 ADAS, it has 360-degree cameras, 6 airbags as standard, hill descent control, tire pressure monitor, a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, connected car features, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 6-speaker sound system, auto climate control, leather seats, wireless chargers, and more. Now, in terms of price, the ZS EV ranges between 18 lakhs and 21 lakh ex showroom. It's available in 4 trim levels. That's Executive, Excite Pro, Exclusive Plus, and Essence. Moreover, the ZS EV is available with the Battery as a Service or BaaS service that MG provides, and that means that you can buy the car between 13 and 15.5 lakh ex showroom depending on the variant, and then you pay 4.5 rupees per kilometer of use to MG as you're renting the battery as a service. This means that the battery is never purchased by you, and if anything happens to the battery, it is owned by the company, will be replaced by the company. Also, any degradation in the life of the battery pack is their headache. This will translate to roughly about 90,000 rupees in your payments if you drive about 20,000 kilometers every year. And over 5 years, this will mean about 4.5 lakh rupees that you're going to have to spend to rent your battery.
Speed camera in 400 meters, drive below 60.
And that marks the end of the drive with the ZS EV. Let me know what you guys thought of the POV drive down in the comments below. And if you like more videos like this, I have an entire playlist of POV drives. I'll link that as well. Until next time, cheers.